Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is LeetCode 678 valid parenthesis strings. In this question you just have to check whether this string is valid or not. If it is valid, then you just have to return the true, or if it is not valid, then you just have to return the false. So valid parenthesis strings means you can star could be treated as in close braces, open braces, or empty string. So you just have to check whether this is a valid or not. So in this question, first you have to put the two count statement, which is um, max cnt equals to 0, comma min cnt equals to 0. Okay, so then you just have to traverse for int I equals to 0, I less than s dot size, then I plus plus. You just have to check if s of I is equals to open braces, then you just have to max cnt plus plus, comma min cnt plus plus. Okay, and if it is close braces, then you just have to else if s of I is equals to is less than, then you just have to min cnt minus minus, comma max cnt minus minus. Okay, then you just have to do thing, and else if it is star, then you just have to min cnt minus minus and max cnt plus plus. Okay, so after this you just have to check one condition. If min cnt is less than 0, then you just have to rewrite the value of min cnt equals to 0, or if max cnt is less than 0, then you just have to return false. Otherwise you just have to return true. Let's run this code. Yeah, this ran properly. Let's submit it. Yeah, this showing an error. Okay, you don't have to return the true, you just have to return check the value is min cnt is equals to 0 or not. Okay, let's run it. Yeah, this is accepted. Thanks for watching.